Maybe it's like that.
Siguro it's a symbol of wealth. Ay, bagay sila ngayon.
Kasi naka-private jet ka naman. Tapos hindi mo kailangan maglakad like normal people.
Kasi yung mga magulang mo naman. And from Rhymes with Maggots,
Number 6.
my pre-game ritual. True story, kapag nagko-compete ako sa powerlifting or CrossFit events, kailangan ko muna mag-power nap ng mga 10 minutes. Kasi nape-pressure ako at ayoko munang isipin na lalaban na pala ako para di ako kabahan. I don't know though how this would work kasi parang di ba nga dapat warm up? But if you take a nap, hindi ba parang tulog yung mo pag dating ng competition?
Maybe powerlifting is a different animal.
Kasi masyado siyang, ang intindi ko sa Henry niya, nasa-stress siya if he stays awake. So he'd rather take a power nap, yung mabilis lang, 10 minutes.
Kaysa mag-spend siya ng ilang minuto na
frazzle.
Maybe it'll work.
Okay. From Archer Aguilar.
Number 5. Number 5.
My pre-game ritual.
Sige nga.
My pre-game ritual. Listening to my Contra Jinx playlist. Kasi pag feel-good songs, natatalo ko. Pero pag emo songs, panalo.
Really? Interesting. That's
dapat
dapat yung hype mo eh. Yeah, 'di ba parang very like if I were kunyari kahit nga mag-workout ka lang, you want like, songs that will get your blood pumping. Hindi yung medyo parang mai-emo ka. Pero I guess different strokes. I don't know.
And coming from Fitz Villapuerto.
Number 4. Number 4.
Before going to the gym, I look at pictures of my ex. That's my motivation para mag-workout. Kasi dapat yummy ako pag nagkita kami ulit at manghihinayang siya na pinakawalan niya ako.
Did you ever go through that?
Ever.
Pero yung mga kasi, di ba, like for example, nung nagpa-piercing ka, yung mga ganun mo, it wasn't because you wanted them to see you as like, look at this badass. Why did I let this badass go? It was more for your own thing that you were going through.
Ay nako, I just want to go crazy. And it was the first thing that came into my mind. I'll do something that I would never normally do. I'll completely change myself.
Pero it wasn't to prove a point.
Eh, feeling ko, hindi na kami magkikita.
Yun nga.
You know what I mean? So it's like,
Walang ganun.
It was purely for me. Kumbaga nagwawala lang.
Wala din kasi.
And I didn't even care if bagay. I didn't even do those things to make myself look better. Yung kumbaga, kahit mga akong tanga, I don't care. Yung ganon, gets?
Yeah.
Yung I was just really just going crazy.
I get it.
It's the appearance version of naglulupasay ka sa ground.